Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, singer-songwriter Taurus Riley is best known for writing music about love and issues that affects us socially. His new single, Graveyard, is released at a time, very appropriate, where there have been several reports of increased violence in sections of Jamaica. Welcome to Daytime Live, Taurus.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Happy to have you here.
Such an honor to have you here.
It's an honor to be here.
And you're such a lovely gentleman. You're just awesomeness.
Thank you very much.
Just saying. So, okay.
You can't keep talking.
Well, I'm going to bring it back. So, over 100 murders in January. Now, when you hear about this, like, how does that make you feel?
Horrible. It's sad. There's no what word. It's horrible. It's sad. It's unfortunate. It's wrong.
What do you think? What do you think is the cause of it? Like,
well, there's all about different causes, but at the end of the day, we just Jamaica people. We're too aggressive towards each other. But anyway, we have a warrior spirit. Me have a song say, we have a warrior spirit inside. But sometimes it's like we are killing off each other. Like we want to exercise it to each other, your brother. Nobody no reason. And as a result of that, you realize it's like a cycle. Yeah, man, bad driver, you want to kill him. Yeah. You're your woman, you want to kill her. Yeah. Like everything is just extreme. Not talking, you know what I mean? A man want money, instead of work, him just go kill somebody. It's just kill.
Right. So I want
to... It's just extended. But I mean, Graveyard, the title alone.
Yeah.
I want to know the inspiration behind writing this.
Well, all right. I'll tell you the living truth is me and your brethren were there all the way to Craigie T. And my brother Kush.
Craigie T!
Yeah, man, we're just outside.
And Kush?
I one place. Me know give away the writing place.
All right.
We're outside
the secret location.
We just listen to this rhythm, Russian semi rhythm. And the kind of militant, and I know it have like a bad man energy and thing. And it's all right. I could write a bad man song, a real bad man song. I tell the bad man, them say, look here, the wickedest man them dead already. You know?
Yeah.
And if you keep it up, you're going right, they're going to join them.
They're going to join them. That's excellent.
So it's cool. So, but if you hear how it starts, it's not the regular niceness. It's not no warning. It sounds like it's a big up thing first. Because I said, them man, they're bad. And them man, they're wicked. And them man, they're terrible. And I say, yeah, how am left out we? I say, yeah, man. I do things to make your name call in this song.
It's not good, yeah.
Yeah, we end up by a graveyard.
It's true.
No, if you haven't seen it as yet, you know, Daytime Live bring it to you. But we can't show the full video. Some scenes are not fit for daytime TV.
Which we understand because these things are fit for real life.
That's true.
But we have a clip, so let's take a look at the clip.
We're going to show a clip.
All right.
All right.
On track, because
no, but more cut you 1 second. Guys, you know, look how life's there. The clip, we don't want to show the clips of what really happening. But then everybody outside watching TV, them know what really are going on. You know?
Exactly.
So too much hypocrisy are going on, you know. Because we have to talk about these things real, raw, and make a deal with reality. If we say, yeah, man, you know, the violence, and we can't show it. Nobody have internet now and I see everything, you know.
But you know,
you know what I mean? It's just sad that we can't express ourselves. And we have to, you know, color pretty tough.
It's a case of just regulations being in place, and because you know, with social media, everything is out there.
Yeah, so it makes sense.
Otherwise, sometimes we can go a little too far, go to the extreme. No. So we have to regulate it somehow.
No, I understand. You know, I just say like there's nothing in there nasty or lewd.
I understand what you're saying. There's no,
but you know, on TV, you know, we can't talk, and to me, that's the next problem. Because we are pretty up the thing.
Just the unfair reality. But let us keep it to Graveyard.
Cool.
The video was
directed by... No, don't keep it to Graveyard. Keep it alive.
Keep it alive.
Yeah, man.
All right, the video was directed by Norslaughter, who you have worked with before.
Yeah.
What is it like working with him?
Well, he's a genius. Nile is a genius, and Brother Storm is a genius. And I make a great video again. Yeah, simple, no talking, none of that.
Love the story about the video. I just want to ask a quick question.
All right.
Back in the day, growing up, you know, the music used to be that man and a man from a bad man. You know what I say? There had to be a little like badness, like yo, we're gonna shoot them, and we're gonna, you know. Do you think that the music has gone a long way in inspiring the increase in violence that we see now? Because we've been brought up with listening to a certain thing. So now, like you say, we go to the extreme now. So something happened. Because, you know, that's always been in music. Your girl upset you, something happened, is always going to that. I'm interested to hear.
I don't agree. All right, so first thing, I think that our music influence people, for sure. So we establish our music, inspire youth, yeah?
Yeah.
But I can't say music is playing a part in people being violent and, like, blame it on the music because you have different time. Because first time, people used to write songs, and even this time, people write songs about what them say. So if I live in a community where people kill themselves, I'm not going to sing about roses are red and violets are blue.
Just a reflection of
what's
happening.
Yeah, so first time artists used to kind of really sing about things where them say. no artists are sing about who they want to be. You know what I mean? There's different kind of, so it depends on the writer. So we can't say music. We can't go like we are fool and say music don't inspire people. But then we can't say music is I don't know about a song telling them, I don't know about a song where say go kill people senselessly. I don't know about that song. I don't know about that song I say, man, go back to your woman. Maybe me fool to music, but I don't hear that song yet. And we still know we have Rude Boy song. And we have Gun song and Bad Boy song. And when me hear them song there, it no make me want to go deal with badness. It make me afraid about this more because the man, him so artistic and I say, yo, my gun at the tallest gun, it big like the clock out of tree, and me shoot and me say, okay.
Yeah, you back away from that.
That no encourage me if it bad. That make me want to be nice.
Yeah, just in case.
I think it's just, I
understand what
I think what people pull is that, you know, there are certain persons who might look at something lyrically and might have a certain understanding for it, while there are others who might just look at it and translate it. But as you say, in terms of it being the influence or sole purpose of you going out and doing something, I don't get that part of it.
Yeah, because you have to have sense when you listen to something. Because I mean, it should be the case. Anybody that tell you anything, a man I say, yo, go jump off.
You go jump off. You go jump. No, you're not.
Well, in this day and age, actually, some people do. They follow blindly. So
we need to know what we are and how we are raised up to youth them and the conversation.
That's where it goes back to, you know.
Yeah, with knowledge. Because now, if a song can rule your life, and remember now, song rule my life, you know. Because when Buju Banton say, him love him browning, me have a browning. And when him say, him not stop crying, if I'm black man, me left my browning. So me understand.
I was very upset by that song, let's say.
Yet still, that are just the music part. But in reality now, when you grow under the culture and you have sense and your parents talk to you and you say, yo, you know what say, I not so like what him say, this is right, this is wrong. Listen to music, watch movies, but know that that's a movie, that's a song, and this is reality.
Yeah, I love what you're saying. And the problem is, well, here's the thing. Taurus, we have to keep talking. Because I think we need to come back with another segment and keep this conversation going. Because I really want to explore that some more. Because some guys at home need to hear, some ladies, young people at home, need to hear what we're saying. So Daytime Live will be right back. Come back, join us after the break. Now we are back. If you are just tuning in, we're still joined by Singy. Yes, Taurus Riley, who is here to discuss the current crime problem we are having in Jamaica and the release of his video and song Graveyard. Welcome again.
Yeah.
So we were having a very impassioned conversation, you know.
No, a lot
about the music and
influence. Yeah, man. No, a lot of people are saying that our government was late in calling the state of emergency. What's your thoughts on that?
Yeah, it depends on who's affected. Of course, the people who are ball out for help a long time, if them just get it, they must say late.
Yeah.
Yeah, so definitely late, and you know, we give thanks at call. So make us see what's going on.
Yeah.
Just talk about it as well, because it's a serious issue. You know, every time we have a little discussion and here we mention Montego Bay, that's where it's going.
You know the wickedest thing?
The crime. You know, it's always that. 100 people did know, you know, since year start. You know?
Since year start? Was it that January?
Yeah, you know the wickedest thing? Have a virgin them say, oh, first time, countryman afraid to go to town. Town man now got country, you can't call me country again.
True. Okay, it's scary. We are serious times as So tell us, on Friday, right?
Yeah, we're going to have a reason up
at University West Indies, you're going to be having a discussion. Tell us a little bit about that.
We should say it slowly so people hear. On Friday, Jamaica, yours truly, Taurus Riley.
Mr. Riley.
One of your favorite singer, your brethren, is going to go to UWI, University of the West Indies, and have a conversation with them fellow Jamaican students and people in the community about the rise and fall of rude boy culture. And we could just reason and see if we can get somewhere in the reasoning.
Yeah, man. So give us a little bit about the discussion.
Yes, so tell us a little bit about the rise. No, but what's your take on the rise and fall?
We don't want to take nothing.
No, take nothing, people. No take. But tell me something.
I'm just saying, I'm there to talk about the rise and fall of rude boy culture. My song is talking about it. So I'm going to go there and say, look here, I'm a musician. I'm using music to express myself and talk about what's going on. What you think? Who come from around there? So who know all that? Let's start a conversation.
So you're just going to start a conversation. That's excellent. Yeah. What time is this on Friday?
What time?
What time?
6. We're live, you know, so we can do that, right? 6.
6.
So that's 6 o'clock and we're on campus. And that's going to be...
Talk loud, we're live.
N1, that's over by the Faculty of Humanities and Education.
You know what going up there,
man. We know what going on.
N1.
But you know, this in particular is going to be a really good discussion. And let me tell you why. You hear about Rude Boy Rise and Fall. You live by the, all the same, you live by the gun, you dead by the gun, and I'm guessing that kind
By
of
the
vibe
sword,
from
but
here.
you know, anyway.
Yeah.
You know,
one of them weapons.
yeah, man, and it's important as to what's going to be pointed out in terms of, you know, if you choose this particular path, there's kind of like expectation as to where you're going to end up, you know, and it's important that we have that. But just
What do
to
you
switch
live
from-
by?
What do you mean?
What you live by?
I just try to live my life good.
He lived by good, so he'll die by good. That's right.
But
That's
tell us
right.
about the tour life, because I know say,
Well, I mean,
that's
tour
what it
life,
will.
Jano, I don't want to sound no way. With tour, music life, you're in the studio a lot. You make some music. After you make the music, you have an album. You have to present it to people. You go on tour. So to come on daytime live and talk about tour, come like me have a show off. Because I travel all heap and I tour a lot. And I give thanks. And sometimes it's boring because sometimes I lock up in some place for long. And I just say hotel, venue, hotel and venue. But I love music. So I deal with touring. Sometimes it's nice. A lot of time it's nice to meet a whole heap of great people. But doing it, I've been touring and blessed to travel and tour.
And you love touring.
And I love touring and meeting people and sharing my music. But it have a next side where it's not so nice all the while, I swear.
Yeah.
Because, you know, especially a man like me particular with all my eating. I mean, I eat meat and them something. So sometimes it's hard to get food because I just meat places. And
Right.
so
you
all
don't-
heap of things. Touring, it's not pretty.
It has its downside. is what
Yeah,
you're
but
saying.
I still give thanks that I could be touring and making my music and spreading it.
And the fact that your music has such a reach that you reach some corners and crevices of the world, you know.
Why didn't I go Africa? That's a big part of tour. I asked about Africa. I go Zimbabwe. Big thing. Kind of rest of man always want to go Africa.
That's right. How was that?
It was great. So, you know, we get to go some interesting places that I probably wouldn't go if I wasn't doing music.
How was your music received in Africa?
Great, man.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah.
How is Graveyard being received right now?
Well,
Like-
everybody in the street love it. I drive through the street. I say, yeah, sing it, I love that one there.
yeah, but the rhythm is heavy, man.
Yeah,
It's
Russian,
awesome.
hardcore, yeah,
It's
yeah.
hard. I'm like, yeah, I could do
Yeah,
the choreography to that still.
It's funny you say that because sometimes we do the hardcore rhythm them where people don't really listen. You have to talk and say, oi,
Listen to what it's saying.
me.
Yeah,
Say no
yeah,
again.
Me, I do
yeah.
something conscious. Nobody listen to rhythm because you
rhythm.
have a dancehall stereotype. Me do free up, be yourself. I tell you free up and be yourself. Message can go up with music on any rhythm.
Yeah.
So if you love my music, nobody cock up your ears because you hear a rhythm will sound rough.
Yeah, no, man, I
And I
like
can't
it.
tell you something
I
rough
like it.
and conscious anyway.
Same here.
Say just
What's
make sure
Because
say
you
listen
got
to
it
the
like
lyrics.
that. Yeah.
So what's
That's
what's
right.
next for Taurus?
Next is me leave you and go do some more interview about this thing. Because I spread it like a rumor.
Right.
You understand? I want to spread this and make it stick in the head like a tumor.
That's
You
right.
understand me?
That's right.
A new tune, yeah?
Yeah. keep going, keep going, keep
No,
going.
make them,
You
that's
done.
it.
All right. All right. Stick up in,
They
stick
like
up in, stick up in. No more.
Yeah, don't you see?
But you know,
Everything's so violent. Stick a pin.
The pin violent?
We just naturally talk aggressive.
Stick a pin?
You see your lifestyle?
No,
You're
hold
such a
on.
nice
That's
lady.
a sewing metaphor,
Don't stick
actually.
with
A
no
sewing
pin.
metaphor with a pin and the cushion. You stick a pin in it to hold the sewing, hold the stitch.
So you want to stick me with your pin?
Me never. Hey.
I'm going to stick you.
Me, Tara. Hey.
all right, daytime, but you know,
Actually,
in terms of-
you're so serious. You have to
in terms of
You know,
in terms of the project, you know, my 2 cents is
cents
it's
are
great
good,
when
the Solomon.
What,
Wait,
five-
try
five
my
bills?
Go on, yeah, my friend. What would the
is that
teachers?
it's amazing when you have voices like Taros who kind of spread them, who not kind of, but full blown spreading the message of peace and love, and
Yeah.
you know, being a representative for something like this, because I feel in terms of the reach and the outcome that the project wants to see, using a Taurus rally, people already know said the man spread a message, you know, this
Yeah.
particular line of message.
Yeah.
And I just feel moving forward, we need more conscious
Yeah.
discussions like these,
Yeah.
and more persons like you.
Like
doing
you.
that.
Yeah, enough people that do it too, and you just don't hear about it because I don't know bad things highlight more. You know what I mean? A lot
Yeah.
of good people
Yeah.
doing good things. A lot of artists saying positive things. Even me, it's not the first time I'm talking about this. I tell you, beware because the shot of them strap. But you know what I mean? But sometimes we don't spend attention on
to
good
listen.
things.
Yeah,
You
I
know?
agree with that.
Even
agree
as
with that.
human beings, you know, somebody tell you something nice, you say, yeah, man. Somebody tell you something bad,
And you
bad
remember it
all day.
forever.
day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
Yeah,
That's
you
true.
know what I mean?
It's up to you to
That's
kind of
true.
take from it. But
So it's graveyard, and the whole point of graveyard is not to rush to the graveyard, you know?
Yeah.
So remember Friday, the reason up at you, where we start 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Anyone? Faculty
Watch
of
my video
Humanities.
on YouTube because we can't show the reality on the TV. See, you know, it's not nasty, it's reality. So watch the video, go to Taurus Riley Viva and watch my video. Even if you know, into my looks and my charm and my swag. Watch a video because the video have a positive message and we need to spread this one. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I swear. All jokes aside.
Something I love about you, you always keep it real. Like you always see me at the gym. I've seen you a lot of times. You know, you don't know, say I see you, but I see you, and you're always nice. You're always polite. You're always
not always, you know.
Every time I see you.
Well, that's good.
So I'm happy for that. All right, thank you so much for joining us on the show.
Please come back and perform on them.
Yeah, graveyard would be nice because it's hot. I make a choreograph at the back and do a little
dance up and
look a thing. We'll be right back. Join us after the break.
Everybody know, let me see your hands up right now.